Welcome back to the show. My name is Curly. You can follow Predis on Instagram at Predis Show. Now, keeping the show rolling, our next act up goes by the name of Arusha Sound. She's from Russia and she recently collaborated with Beenie Man. Big collaboration, don't it? Let's find out what Arusha is bringing to the business right here on your favorite show.
Arusha Sound, I'm a recording artist. I was a musician first. Started playing music since I'm a little girl, 4 years old. Went on tour when I was 9, my first tour. Was blessed enough to play with people like Stevie Wonder, Anthony Hamilton, Timbaland, lots of other great artists. Recently collaborated with Beenie Man, Sizzla Kalonji. You know, you can check out my songs World War III, Embrace It, featuring, you know, both artists. The Arusha Sound, I was actually born in Northern Europe, far away, you know, we're tucked in there, you know, in the far away in the globe. I was born in Norway. I was moved to Russia when I was 5. And then after this, you know, I went on the road and I was touring, you know, since really early age. I spent the last 3 years in Los Angeles before moving to Kingston last year. Jamaica to me is very beautiful, very musical, you know, and it's like home now, you know, because, you know, as I say, now I move my kitchen here, I move all my stuff here, you know, and I'm cooking here right now, so it feels home, you know.
Sunshine lady, never stay too far away from me. You're my baby, never leave me lonely. No, girl, I'm addicted to your love. I'm addicted to your touch. I don't know just what it is, but it makes me feel so good inside.
Music took me all over the world, you know. I met so many people through the music. My team right now here in Kingston, you know, I want to big up Schalke Records, I want to big up Rolla, you know, Rasta Warrior, all the people who's standing by Arusha Sound, you know, all those people who brought into my life through music, you know. In a recent performance at the Jazz and Blues Festival here at the Greenfield Stadium with Beenie Man, we did world premiere of the song World War III live premiere, so that was great, you know. But otherwise, you know, I performed on great stages like Nokia Theater in Los Angeles, you know, I performed in Philharmonic halls before. So these are probably the highest, you know, and the lows are just the hustle, you know, it's being up all night, you know, recording that song, trying to get the right sound, you know.
I will love you every day, no other girl can come my way. Let me take you on a lifelong ride. Whenever things go wrong, I'll make them right. Turn the lights down low tonight, night. You'll always be alright.
What I want to achieve, you know, I want to leave good chunk of work, you know, behind me here. I want to people enjoy my sound, you know, enjoy my music, be educated by it, you know, get inspired. Actually, the main thing right now, we're working on a new album. It's reggae, mainly reggae, lots of ska, you know, one drop, little bit of dancehall. The album will come out beginning of summer. We'll be done with it by end of spring.
What it is that makes me feel so good inside. You give me pleasure, it has no measure. You make my body weak. You give me loving that is so stunning. You make me feel so weak. Sunshine lady, never stay too far away.
Right now on Predis, we have some designers fashion from the recently held Faces of the Fashion Caribbean. You know, Predis, we always bring you what's hot. This event right now is hot, and this clip right now, very hot. Predis.
At the top is just us. Or the topic just us. You can't stop it just us. Or if you can't stop it just hush. At the top is just us. Or the topic just us. You can't stop it just us. Or if you can't stop it just hush. Yeah. Sit back on me and watch time pass off. What that? Are the big Benz blast off. Tell Wolf in sheep clothes that them mask off. Me no Kevin Hart but me have the last laugh. Now you see my house big with the grass up.
Right now we're going for a third and final commercial break. When we get back, we still have a lot more. You're watching Pre This.
United one. You're Arsenal one.